enchanted castle where the magic begins.
Hi, girls! Welcome to my cosmic art kingdom. I am Princess Valkyrie, and today we are on a magical styling quest. We are going to draw Princess Annabella's beautiful fairy dress. But look at these two secret boxes. My magical drawing is so powerful that it will bring to different doll realities to life. A cute chibi fairy doll and a stunning Barbie fairy doll. Which one will look more magical? Let's start sketching to unlock the secret.
In the enchanted
Drawing. Let's draw the outline of our fairy princess. We start with her long, beautiful braided hair. Now, look at these huge fairy wings. They are shaped like stars. Let's sketch her royal ball gown with pretty ruffles on the skirt. She is looking so majestic already. Girls, do you love stars as much as I do? Let's add the magical details. We are placing golden stars everywhere. On her hair tiara, inside her wings, and a big bright star right on her chest. Don't forget her elegant long gloves. This dress is made of pure starlight. Coloring. Almond. Brown. Time to blue. Time to splash some magical color. Light blue. Splash some magical colors. Deep royal blue for the bodice. Beautiful sky blue for the skirt and wings. And bright golden yellow for our stars. Yellow. Oops, should we put yellow stars or pink stars on her wings? Let's ask my fairy wings. Flaps wings, they said golden yellow. Do you agree with them? Give me a high five through the screen if you think Barbie's dress is turning out absolutely gorgeous. Puts hand to screen. Yay, we are the best design team ever. You are my special guest today. Did you bring your magic wand too? Let's wave them together. Shakes wand. Wow, I can feel your magic from here. I love spending my fairy day with you. You are not just a viewer. You are my official royal designer assistant today. High five, bestie. Purple. Now, white. Now, let's use my Valkyrie magic to add cosmic sparkles. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Look at all those shiny white snowflakes and stars glittering all over the dress. It's so sparkly and perfect.
Oh, look at this beautiful royal blue! It is my favorite color for today. What is your absolute favorite color in the whole wide world? Shout it out loud so I can hear you.
Sparkle. Barbie doll versus chibi doll. Let's open the first secret box. 1, 2, 3, Plim. Oh my goodness, look at the real chibi fairy doll. She has the biggest, prettiest blue eyes, a super fluffy crown of golden stars, and her dress layers look like real silk. She is the cutest fairy ever. And now, let's unlock the second reality. Plim, wow. Look at the gorgeous Barbie fairy doll version. She is so elegant with her long, sleek braids, beautiful blue lips, and her star-studded wings look absolutely spectacular. Both transformations are breathtaking. Our cosmic dress-up is a wonderful success. Girls, now I need your help for our next mission. Which doll was your absolute favorite? The cute chibi fairy or the glamorous Barbie fairy? Don't leave our magic kingdom just yet. Click on the next video right now to explore more sparkly stories. See you there. Bye-bye.